Sunday. I think the 21st, if I'm not mistaken. Today I'm just going to be, doing a little Sunday reset, cleaning my house, taking out that Christmas tree for sure. Sorry if you guys hear my TV. I am doing church right now. I was a little sick yesterday, even when I went to work. So, just to not get people contagious, I decided not to go to church. So, I'm going to roll on church right now. So, you guys just will be seeing me clean up my house and take my Christmas tree down.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, you scared. I'm not. Long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. I'm not violent on you, day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Body warm when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
So you guys are going to be buying my SHEIN cart with me, so you guys are going to see what's in my cart. So it will be on the screen right here. I'm going to go by outfits first. So as you can see, actually no, I'm going to just go down the line. So this right here, I just put in my cart just because my shirts, especially the finish line shirts, when I put them in a washer and a dryer, they be having like a little lint on them, so that's why I got that. So the next thing I got was these fishnets. I'm gonna show you the outfit I'm supposed to be wearing it with. So I'm gonna be wearing the fishnets with like a jean, low ruffled skirt, with this sweater, because I also thought this sweater was really cute. The girlies was eating them up in the comments. I mean, up in the reviews. So I'm showing y'all right now the girlies. So yeah, so I had to get the sweater. So I also am trying to make some DIY jean boots. So with the fishnets, the skirt, that black sweater, and this jean purse, that's gonna be a fit. And we just gotta see how they come together, because I ain't even start the jean boots and I need to. So this the purse. My sister said she got the same purse, but I don't know if it's like the exact same one, but we might end up having the same one. So then I just got this dollar phone case because I think it's cute. It say today is another beautiful day. Get rich, because you know, keep smiling. And yeah, I just think it's real cute. So I got the phone case. Next I got this hat because, to be honest, it's really only $1. It's really only $1 and it's pink, so it's cute. Alright y'all, it is the next day because when I went to edit my video today at work, I realized that apparently I wasn't screen recording everything. So right where this video will be is where my screen recording apparently stopped, and I did not know. So from now on, you would just see clippings, because clearly it's like after I purchased. So you just see clippings of the items that I got, but y'all gonna still see what I got. I got 2 bags because I got an iPad now and I like to carry it wherever I go. Like, say I need to edit, or you know, I don't want to use my phone. So I had to get these 2 bags. This one's just really cute and simple. And then I got this cheetah print one, which is also really cute. You know, it pops. And I love me pink. So I got that. And then I found this leopard pink bag to go with it. Like a little makeup bag. So I thought that was really cute. And again, it was only $2. So I just got it. Alright. Outfit number 2. So I got these little gray pants because the girls was kind of eating them up because it was giving. Look at her. It's giving on her. You know, I don't have her body. I'm a little thicker, but it's giving. I was gonna wear it with this challenge shirt, which I also thought was really cute because they was eating them up with the shirt too. So I was like, I gotta have that shirt. So I got that in black to match the pants. And then, y'all, don't come for me, but I got the little fake tennis moves, and I don't care because these are cute, and these give UGG 2.0, very much so. Y'all see the UGG 2.0s. So I got those to go with the outfit, or I got these. These actually do not have no reviews. Don't come for me, because sometimes you gotta be the first person to review it. So that's who I am going to be. I got an extra large because, again, I'm a little thick. Well, I'm a lot of thick. So I also got this little half top to go with it because honestly I've actually never had a shirt like this, and I think this one's actually really cute. So I could really wear that with the Tasmans, with the, you know, the white socks. And I got this little bodysuit with like the rips and the thighs. So it can really go either or. So that's why also I got that. And to be honest, I think that's it. Yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, that's really all I got. I wasn't really trying to spend too much money because, you know, you're not like rich or anything. So yeah, I wasn't really trying to spend too much money because I got other priorities, and this was just a little slight SHEIN cart, you know. I will be doing a haul too, so y'all comment down below if y'all want me to give y'all a haul of my SHEIN cart, and we got to buy it. So oops, I'm gonna go to checkout. Period. Free shipping. You know, y'all gotta make sure y'all only got one of each item, because it was one time I accidentally got 2 coats. I'm not really sure how that happened, but I got 2 coats and I didn't notice until the items got there. You also want to make sure you got the right size. I gotta make sure I got the right size for everything. Yes, everything is looking pretty good. And I'm gonna pay with Apple Pay. I used a $10 gift card. So my total comes to $80. Yeah, very much so, because of taxes. So we're gonna continue. But it's bought. Honestly, y'all, I can't tell you the last time I bought a SHEIN card. So even though my SHEIN card was a little small, I don't really care. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below some videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you guys soon.